November 16, 2025, the war in Ukraine is characterized by intense fighting on the front lines, strategic strikes on energy infrastructure, and key political developments. Ukraine faces a challenging situation, particularly as Russia has expanded its attacks to target gas facilities ahead of winter. The table below summarizes the key developments as of November 16, 2025. Aspect key developments fighting in front line. Russian advances. Confirmed capture of Yablikovo Zaporizhia. Advances near Pokrovsk and Mariupol. Ukrainian withdrawals. Relocated from Novovasilovsk Zaporizhia to more defensible positions. Russian tactics. Exploiting poor weather for infantry assaults. Conducting a battlefield air interdiction campaign against Ukrainian supply lines. Strategic strikes. Ukrainian drone attacks. Struck oil refineries in Ryazan near Moscow, Saratov, and Orsk. Targeted an oil terminal in Novorossiysk. Russian missile and drone attacks. Launched large-scale attacks in Kyiv and energy infrastructure, resulting in civilian casualties. Military and aid. Ukrainian requests. Zelensky urgently called for more air defense systems. Domestic production. Ukraine began mass-producing Octopus interceptor drones to counter Russian drones. Russian production, planning a major increase in glide bomb production for 2025. Politics and diplomacy. Prisoner exchange. An agreement was reached, mediated by Turkey and the UAE, for the release of about 1,200 Ukrainian prisoners. Corruption scandal. Zelensky promised to remove a state energy firm amid a $100 million embezzlement scandal, causing tension with allies. Allied support strained. Poland signaled it extends social assistance for Ukrainian refugees, and Italy questioned further funding. Situation on the ground. Pokrovsk and Myrnorad direction. Russian forces are making slow but steady advances in this area. While they are expected to eventually capture the cities of Pokrovsk and Myrnorad, the urban terrain and continued widespread defensive strategy are resulting in high casualties and a prolonged campaign. DN, Mariupol direction. Russian forces have intensified offensive operations here, taking advantage of foggy weather that degrades Ukraine's drone surveillance capabilities. They have made confirmed advances, seizing the village of Okotniki and putting pressure on Ukrainian defensive lines. Russian adaptation. Russian forces are increasingly using small group infantry infiltration tactics during poor weather conditions, when Ukrainian drone operations are less effective. Cross-border strikes and energy war. Ukraine has sustained a campaign of long-range drone strikes targeting Russian oil refineries. These strikes, in facilities like the Ryazan, Saratov, and Orsk refineries, are explicitly aimed at reducing Russia's ability to fuel its military operations. Meanwhile, Russia has expanded its targeting from Ukraine's electrical grid to its